So, what are we trying to do here? It sounds like you were trying to get the advanced sales and supplement training program, and then you wanted to add Xactimate Mastery, correct?
Yes, I didn't realize that. I didn't see that. That was one of the three things I wanted. Then whenever I was, I guess I got something you sent me today where it showed I could bundle them together.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Well, let's get you set up here. Okay.
Yeah, I signed up for the 30-day trial of Xactimate, and I realized that it isn't something you can just figure out. So
Nope. I know. The thing is, what I tell people is like you would be able to figure out like the basic fundamentals. Like you'd probably be able to figure out how to put together an estimate, but it's just such a it's kind of an arduous like type of software. It's not very user friendly, it's not very intuitive, and so to figure out things like sketch tool and making notes on estimates and importing photos and eagle views and like macros, stuff like that, it's next to impossible unless you're just like a freak of nature. So
yeah, I didn't even get an estimate. So
yeah, well then we'll make that real easy for you. Alina does it all in video format, so it's as easy as put in one window her tutorial videos, and then you just put your estimate working in the next window, and you can just do it side by side. So we'll make it real easy for you.